So now let's see how we can work around with Videomerge option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with that, I'm going to go around and right click on the clip right here. And then I'm going to go around under clip right here just like this and click on apply Videomerge. Once I do that, what happens is that the Videomerge takes into effect as you can see right here. So it tries to merge down with the other video. So if I were to go around and bring in another video right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around and bring another video over here at the bottom, you can see that the video tries to merge out with the bottom layer right here just like this. If I were to go around under, let's say, effects right here, you can see that Videomerge is there. You can also go around and select out, let's say, for example, different colors right here. So right now, this is the color right here. You can go around and select some other color for the merge as well. So you can see that right now, a particular color is selected as you can see, but if I were to go around and select out, let's say for example this color, then that particular color will be merged out. And as I bring in other video right here, then you can see that you get that particular effect over here. And Videomerge is in effect, and you can go around and choose detailed Videomerge right here, or you can go for soft Videomerge just like this and so forth right here as well. You can go around and increase and decrease the tolerance level for the Videomerge as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Videomerge effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe